Introducing the Echo Show 5 Kids, the perfect smart display with Alexa, designed just for kids, giving parents peace of mind. Discover fun with Alexa. Kids can have a blast asking Alexa to play videos, music, read bedtime stories, and even get homework help. They can also make video calls to approved contacts, making it a fun and interactive experience. Parents, you're in control. Rest assured with easy-to-use parental controls. Alexa will automatically provide kid-friendly responses and filter out songs with explicit lyrics. Plus, you can set volume and daily time limits, and keep track of activities through the Amazon Parent Dashboard. Exciting Amazon Kids Plus subscription included. Get 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus absolutely free. This digital subscription is tailored for kids aged 3 to 12, offering thousands of ad-free, kid-friendly songs, videos, Audible books, Alexa skills, and more, all on the Echo Show. Where learning meets play, Alexa is a great study buddy. Kids can ask for homework help and view answers on the display. They can also enjoy Audible books and engage in creative storytelling by saying, "Alexa, make a story." Empowering independence, kids can take charge of their routines with Alexa. Set their own alarms, control compatible smart lights, and call parent-approved friends and family. Privacy at its best, we care about your privacy. The Echo Show is designed with multiple layers of privacy controls. You can electronically disconnect the microphones and camera with a press of a button, and the built-in camera cover adds an extra layer of protection. Peace of mind with our guarantee. We stand by our product. Enjoy a worry-free experience with our 2-year guarantee. If anything goes wrong, simply return it, and we'll replace it for free. Get the Echo Show 5 Kids today, and let the fun and learning begin. To explore a wider range of thrilling gadgets available on Amazon, just click on the link provided in the description.